Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be. Good morning. Today is Friday, July 10th. It's 11:06. I woke up probably like an hour and some change ago, but I just be laying in my bed. Another day of not having no clients. July's pretty slow for me, but I'm just gonna vlog my day because content is content, you know. So what do I plan today? Honestly, I don't have much planned today. My boyfriend wants me to bring him lunch at like around 1 o'clock. He wants Food Town, so I'm going to leave here within like the next hour. So just finna brush my teeth, wash my face, and get my life together, you know. This lash is falling and needs some more glue. My face is just pretty crusty. But yeah, y'all. Let me use the bathroom. BRB.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Yeah. She got to the bone. Wait, these niggas watching. I swear to God, they be my clothes. Yeah, hey, switching my hoes like my flows. Switching my flows like my clothes. Keep on shooting that gun, no reload. Ooh. Now she won't fuck with my crew. Cause the money come all out the roof. Drive a Rari, that bitch got no roof. Wait, what kind of Rari? 458. All of these niggas, they hate. Try to hide shit through the gate. Look, go to strip club, make it rain. Yeah, so much money, they use rakes. They turn 100,000 in your face. Yeah, they put 300 right in a safe. Met her today. Yeah, she talked to me like she knew me. Yeah, go to sleep in a jacuzzi. Yeah, waking up right to a two-piece. Yeah, counting that paper like loose leaf. Yeah, getting that chicken with blue cheese. Yeah, boy, you so fit like my college. You snake.
Remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I cannot be get a move on. I keep on, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Hoping nice things.
I need to put some type of moisture in my hair because my breakdown is dry.
interfere with innocence.
y'all, when I tell y'all it's so hot outside, like it's the type of hot that get you mad. Like I'm so aggravated, I'm so hot. Like even the AC in my car ain't doing enough for me. Like it's hot, and my car say it's 94 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the one thing I can't stand about Florida. It's so freaking hot. Be wanting to walk around butt naked or in a bikini or something. It's so hot. Child. But y'all, I got my boyfriend his food. We got his food and we got him a drink from Family Dollar. He wanted some. What did I get him? What is this? What is this I got? He got curry goat and some cabbage. Now, excuse me, I had ended up buying some food. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but the good thing is it's gonna last me, y'all. Like, okay, so my food was like $18. So I got oxtails, rice and peas, and cabbage. But they put so much on the plate, you could literally eat off that one plate for like 2-3 days, depending on how much you eat. But yeah, so if the plate is like $18 and I'm eating off it for 2-3 days, that sounds good to me, you know? And I was struggling on trying to figure out what I was gonna cook anyway. So I'm like, you know what, while I'm here, let me just get me a plate and eat off it for the next few days. So yeah, so I will not be cooking until that food is gone. So maybe on, what's today? Today's Friday, so I'm definitely gonna eat some tonight and gonna eat some Saturday. So maybe I'll cook Sunday or Monday, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, I just came back to give y'all an update. So I'm on the way to my boyfriend's job now. So I will see y'all when I get back home. And when I get back home, it's go time on this hair. I gotta go wash the wig. I hate when cars like pull up on the side of me, but I gotta go wash this wig when I get home. It's the first thing I'm gonna do. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Hey y'all. I know I said I was going home, but we at the hair store. I gotta get a shade that match me because since I went to Volcano Bay, I done got like a shade darker. So the shades that I got at home don't match. Let's go. Oh, it's hot. Hey. Good, and you? Alright, let's see. Because I only get the cream. I'm gonna get the cream foundations. I'm like a 14, 15. I'm gonna get a 16 because, like I said, I got a little darker. So we gonna get this. I already have this at home, and I literally have this at home too. So we gonna see. I think that's all we need here. Watch I pick up something else. I feel like that's all I need. Oh, these cute. Yeah, these cute. Cause I was trying to find something. I was trying to find something red to go with my bathing suit, like a red scarf. But I don't want it all the way red like that. I want it to be like mostly like white with a little bit of red or something. I guess not. But let me get cap. Is this the one I want? It's $1. Okay, whatever. I think do. I don't know what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna do. Okay, now let me focus. I was just gonna get candidates low key. How much this is? $8.99. I think that's all I needed, honestly. Let me show y'all their wigs, cause I was finna get a wig over here. Let me see. Hey, y'all, so I'm back home. Yeah, I had to take that hat off and that cap off because it was just, as soon as you get home from this heat, you just gotta like start taking stuff off because it's just hot, annoyingly hot. So from the hair store, this is what I got. I just got an HD wig cap. I don't do ball cap method. I stopped doing that years ago. We got some of this. We got this Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. My regular shade, I'm a 15. But like I said, since I came back from walking away, I've gotten darker. I've gotten a tan, so I am a bit darker. So yeah, I think. Okay, I do got some lace now. Okay, cool. I think I pretty much got everything I need. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, my hair. Yeah, that's all I got from the hair store. Actually, I wanted to show y'all. I want to show y'all how much points I got with hair store. So, boo. Excuse me. We got 4,055 points at the hair store. Don't play with me. I'm pretty sure I got the most on there. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna do like an unboxing. So give me that. And then wrap it in saran. Do you see this? Do you see this? That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You can eat off this for the next few days, child. I'm finna bust it down. I'm finna eat some of it, but then I'm also gonna end up sectioning it into like 2-3 different plates. And it's like they never miss. So what? Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Good morning. What's today? Today's Saturday, July 11th, and it's 9:24 a.m. I'm going on the yacht today, but I'm up this early because I have a client. I think I told y'all that, but the crazy thing is, I had a whole different client, but she ended up having to cancel, and then somebody else ended up needing a last minute appointment. So yeah, I was supposed to do them cash doll stitch braids to the 2 buns. Oh, I wanted to do that so bad. But today we just doing it basics, wig install, side part wig install. So we're finna go do that. I'm just chilling right now because I literally live 10 minutes away from the shop, and I'm not finna go up there right now. I'll probably leave in like the next probably like 15 minutes. But other than that, I'm chilling. Hopefully I can get content in when I go to the shop. If not, I think the next time y'all will see me is when probably headed to Miami, or when I'm getting ready for it though. Probably when I'm getting ready for it. Yeah, I see my lashes. I added another layer. But my lashes, bro, like this eye is T. You see how this go up like that? I like that. This eye, I don't know, like it's not matching. Whatever. But yeah, y'all. I'll see y'all later in a few, or later, one of them. See y'all. Y'all again. I'm at the shop. I feel like I haven't been here in a minute. I literally haven't been here in 7 days. I don't like that for me. But now I'm back. So watch me set up for my weekend stock line.
Dress it up and make it real for me.
He's the best.
Whatever that fucking means. Yeah, it's all in style for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up and gas it. Put your lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like film, man, I'm rolling niggas, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like a March Madness. All these cops shoot a nigga tragic. Only one that living lavish. Like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I done want for the business, might have made me for her even though she average. Dirty money in the cook. The 45 by my good. When young nigga in the cook. Take you out for some joints. Counter spot, no rush. I'm on the one-way flush. Loud pack smelling mud. These fucking police can't touch me. These fucking police can't touch me. Fucking nigga can't touch me. I'm trying to pressure with.
Okay, yeah, I got everything set up. I got my hot comb out, my new comb, and edge brush. Most of the products that I'm gonna use. It is 8:58 on my way for a ride. So yeah, hopefully I can get some content. Hopefully I can get some content. But if not, like I said, y'all will definitely see me when I'm getting ready for y'all. So yeah. Alright y'all, bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just finished doing hair. It's 10:57. Okay, y'all. What I was gonna say? Yeah, you already know what's gonna happen. We finna, clean this room up. So yeah, just watch.
Hey, Valentine. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, yeah. Bobby Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body say, you know what I mean? Hey, like a cop call. Hey, I make it say, doing the buck in the latest drop. Got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler. Sounding like a siren. Talking about yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law. And she know I'm the ball. And she know I get high above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about yeah, yeah. We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make it by side. I make it say,
come through in the minds of pride. Doing it big like I live in the Taj Mahal. And I don't get into fly, they fly. That's why they loving up. That's real, been the chick that they talking about.
Trap Selena.
Hey, 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 face pretty, I could win her. Hey, 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 yeah, only want that if it's good. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. If it ain't about money, cut it short, 20 bracket, baby. Huh? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm putting belt to ass. If a bitch will smoke with me, then we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed, just rub my feet together. Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who them vanity Chanel's for? Not me. Y'all bitches post some shit up all y'all want, but not see. Gotta do the jumbo, might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag, gotta keep it classy. Baby, C, D, E, F, G. These bitches can't fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb. Talking on my money wrong. Shout out to my hoes, throw the pants like Kamala. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama, huh? Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. Streets is calling me and they keep saying, let's get at it, baby. Huh? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm running talk about this hating ass bitch. Ungrateful ass bitch. I don't care, man. Somebody gotta say it ass bitch. Fake friend ass bitch. A clown ass bitch. On the net, kick your friend while she down ass bitch. Your loyalty depends on you around ass bitch. Backdoor hoe, hating on the low ass bitch. You a shady ass bitch. You been trash since birth. Mama didn't want you, bring this baby ass bitch. Still bragging ass bitch. Bottom feeder ass bitch. All that dick riders doing get no feature ass bitch. She just mad she got a nigga she be sharing bags with. My nigga cheaper, I don't stick no dildos in his ass bitch. You look a hot mess, easily impressed ass bitch. Never gave looks, just started getting dressed ass bitch. Ricky, you're the only fashion house you know ass bitch. You should've asked me, would've took you to the show, little bitch. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. Only want that if it's good and have me acting crazy.
Yes, mama. It's recording my voice.
Yeah, you.
Wait, I gotta have you up.
Let me show you.
Oh wow. What the hell?
Y'all funny as fuck. Huh? Nah, I got this from Best Buy, but you can order over this out though.
You gotta send it. Hello.
No.
Girl, you got a whole look everywhere. A whole look, bitch. No, like promotion. Yes, like Jalen and
Thank you.
So much.
Alright, y'all, we on the boat now.
We on the boat.
This the birthday
And the
girl.
bad bitch turned 25.
Clock it. Thank ya. Thank ya.
Am I getting old? Why do I feel tired? Oh.
Clock it. Oh, back. I just got back home. It's 9:55. Auntie is tired. You see, I already got the hair already put up in the garnet going on my plane. I'm about to take me a shower. I'm finna eat. I'm finna lay down. And I'm gonna edit this video. Not this one, but the last one. Then this one will get edited. But yeah, y'all, Auntie is tired. Really lay down. Alright, y'all. Until next time.
Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, baby, take it, stop it.